If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can use one of the preset chart layouts in Excel to quickly and easily create a chart that contains the chart elements you want to show. These preset chart layouts include standard chart objects like the legend, data labels, and a chart title. To apply or change a chart layout in Excel, simply select a chart or one of its chart elements first. Then click the Quick Layout dropdown in the Chart Layouts button group on the Chart Design Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then roll your mouse pointer over the choices in the drop-down menu to preview them in the selected chart. Then click a layout to apply it to the selected chart. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.